What new fronts have opened in the recent U.S. and Iran strikes? The latest clashes reveal surprising shifts that could reshape regional power and global diplomacy in unexpected ways. Recent U.S. and Iran strikes have expanded far beyond the usual battlegrounds like Iraq and Syria. Both sides are now engaging in maritime zones, such as the Persian Gulf, and even border areas near Afghanistan. This geographic expansion signals a new phase where naval power and border control become critical arenas, increasing tension in locations previously less volatile. These new fronts complicate military logistics and raise risks for civilian and commercial vessels, highlighting a broader strategic contest. In addition to expanding locations, the nature of the strikes themselves has evolved. The U.S. and Iran are increasingly relying on proxy groups, unmanned drones, and cyber tactics to strike targets while reducing direct confrontation. This shift allows deniability and lower immediate risk, but makes the conflict more unpredictable. These tactics also enable both countries to test each other's defenses without escalating into full-scale war, a dangerous game of brinkmanship. These new strike fronts ripple into global diplomacy. As the conflict spreads geographically and tactically, international alliances are tested. Countries like Iraq, Saudi Arabia, and the UAE face pressure to take sides or act as mediators. Meanwhile, diplomatic talks involving Iran's nuclear program and U.S. sanctions become more complicated as military actions harden positions. This interconnectedness means each strike can impact negotiations far beyond the battlefield. The recent U.S. and Iran strikes have opened surprising new fronts that stretch across geography, tactics, and diplomacy. Understanding these shifts helps you grasp how fragile peace really is in this volatile region. For daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe and stay informed about the world's most urgent issues.